Good morning to all. I am Subramaniam, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about the surveying, the topic surveying, types and classifications in the subject of basic civil and mechanical engineering. Anyway, the subject is oriented only for the civil engineering. When you select a land, we have to construct a building. Before constructing a building, we need to have a surveying on the land itself. So it is a fundamental discipline that is for engineering and construction, also for mapping, and it will be guiding us to the core principles as well as the applications and where the essential tools are being done there. But surveying is first of all we have to see whether the land is approachable for us as well as for the customers and other peoples. And in this you can see, first of all you see about the surveying means what definition is the arts and science of determining the relative positions of the point above, on or beneath the earth's surface. That is, we have to survey whether what type of building we are going to construct it, and what is the need for it, and what is the purpose of it, and what are the importances there. So the purpose means we can able to approach the land easily, as well as whatever needs can able to get from the land itself. That is, for example, say if we are having an industry of a manufacturing industry, means the raw materials has to be imported into the land, into the place. So there must be transport problem must not be there, and also it must be easily can be approached for the trucks or the lorries or the any wagons to be approached the land itself. This is the purpose. And also if you are going for agriculture land, we must need for the water supplies there are not. There must not be any water scarcity. And importance also, what is the importance of the land is on the urban planning or the resource management also must be identified there. Next is general classification. We say the plane surveying and geodetic surveying. Surveying is assuming the earth's flat surface. It must be a flat surface, can able to the mountains or the any hikes or bumps or underground must be leveled to space, can able to level it or not. And also we must on geodetic surveying you must see that whether the on the national mapping or whether it is suitable for the building to be constructed, can able to be approached or not. So whatever beneath the surface, beneath the earth's surface, whatever can be able to get it, and it can able to precise it, the control points also. And also you see on the classification based on the purpose, this is a topological survey, that is there is mapping and the having the natural and man-made features, and also the land survey, whereas we have to establish the properties of boundaries and the land ownership is also we have to maintain it. And finally engineering survey, provide the infrastructure provides like the roads or bridges and buildings to be provided for the land itself. Is it necessary or not? Also we have to see about the hydrographic or marine survey, whether can able to approach the places as a train station or else seashore lines, or else it must be navigation must be proper, and astronomical survey also we have to done it. We have to do it. Determining the position of the earth also, and observing the celestial bodies. If it is a mining survey, means you are going for underground part also, we have to survey it for any safety for the forest and also resource extractions. Finally, we see about the geological survey, investigating on the subsurface of the geology for mapping and understanding the earth's structures. And also the tools for the trade is on the surveying is compared of the chain surveying, compass surveying, and plane table surveying, leveling, geodetic surveying, and total station surveying. Also, this chain surveying is based on the measurement manually by the chain or tape, or for the small ideal for the small or relatively flat areas also. Compass surveying, we determining the bearings or also what is the angle of the steep angle of the land is there, and what is the if there is any undergrounds or also any bumps of them, so what is the angle of it. And also plane table surveying is field of observation and the plotting of the detailed of the directly into the map itself. And we must go for the surveying and leveling also. And this is a typical land where we have the places of the locating some locating instruments to have the lands whether can able to be level it or not. And out on this triangulation method, in this triangulation method, we establish the interconnection of the triangles, and it has been transferred to the other plane and can able to be focused on it, focused on a map itself, can able to find out whether can able to be surveyed and can able to have a leveling in proper or not. And some of the methods of measurement for advanced things are there, tachometry and photogrammetry. In this, finally comes we see the mind map as the evolution of the surveying instruments. Early tools was the current chain and the Gunter chain and magnetic compasses actually, and which has been now turned into the optical instruments for the accurate angular measurements. And for total stations, we see is the automated distance angles in the early stages, whereas now it is on the GPS and GNSS itself will be informing us. And also can have the lidar and drones. No need of a manual human being to walk through all around. And with this, we come to the end of this session by modern development on the impact of the surviving itself. Thank you for watching it. We'll see in the next class.